she was a vegetarian. You better get it, Trisha. Are you recording?
I'm recording it.
Wait, okay, bite down. You gotta take a bite, Ginger. Stick the whole apple. Yes, she did it really well. I'm gonna slap her all over my hand.
Maybe during the hard times it would help you see the light. Come in, it's just
That is too funny.
the most ridiculous junk.
Here, you wanna try to eat this one?
A soda maker.
I like it too big about
The world could possibly want to
Fine,
use this
she's
stuff.
just,
A snow cone sheet?
she's just like, gee.
It hit me. One man's trash is another.
He like pulls her whole body just to get a bite off.
Ginger, wait, here.
Give her the apple.
Don't let her eat that whole thing.
Here, I'm done with it.
You
all you
done?
get.
Are you done,
Let her eat a
Ginger?
little more.
Was it good? An apple a day keeps the vet away. You should just cut her up
Clean your
apples
mouth.
from now on and put them in her food.
Ouch.
I knew you were allergic to pineapple. I was just trying to make
The point of trying to make me feel like an ass?
Look, I'm sorry I blew up. I'm busting my butt out here trying to establish myself. And then
She's just like licking it.
do from you after you brag about your infinity tub and your fucking clothes.